that's awkward. Yeah, we do have to think about the naughty ones too. Bye, skippers. We know what you did. Yeah, we're never gonna see them ever again. All right, well, hi everybody. Welcome aboard to the world famous Jingle Cruise. My name is Skipper Abby. That's first name Skipper, last name Abby. I'm so excited, y'all. For the next 12 days and one silent night, I will be your skipper, your ho-ho host, your gift wrapper, your tree trimmer, and this is pretty important. If you don't laugh at anything I say, I will have to be your swim instructor. Okay. Hey, we do have to start with a quick boat orientation, so can everybody look up? Okay, that is the top of the boat. Now look down, bottom of the boat. Now if anything happens and they switch, oh my gosh, please swim, okay? Good luck, y'all. Now our first stop is the Amazon rainforest, and right here on the left, this is Inspiration Rock. Ooh. Yeah, it did not used to be a waterfall at all, you guys. It's always been just rocks and no water. Pretty inspiring, huh? Yeah, you know, legend has it, if you stare long enough at Inspiration Rock, eventually you will be so inspired to go. Christmas caroling? Yeah? Anyone? Jingle Cruise? Jingle Cruise? Yeah? Yeah! We'll do it later. We got it. Yeah, that'll be great. Yeah, you seem pretty inspired. I like it. Let's take all that inspiration, y'all, and cruise down the Congo River now and really see how far this boat can go. Yeah, probably not far, guys. We only have enough fuel and oil to last us one night. With a little miracle, we might be able to stretch it to 8. Now, is this anybody's first time on the Jingle Cruise? Raise your hand. First timers? Yeah, me too. Yeah, cool, me too. Yeah, anybody's last time? Yeah, okay. Yeah, fingers crossed, fingers crossed. Yeah, okay, wait, we're gonna meet one of my good friends. Does anybody know the name of this snake? Starts with the letter P. Python, very close. That's actually plastic. Yeah, no, I'm kidding, it's a python. But he's definitely plastic, and he's so sweet. Oh, I'm so sorry about this, y'all. I should have warned you. This is my camp. Yeah, my in-laws are in town. Hey, guys. No, I'm kidding, y'all. Those are outlaws, obviously. Yeah, I can tell the difference between in-laws and outlaws, because outlaws are actually wanted. Sorry, that one's really easy. We're going to move down my favorite river now, though. This is the Nile River. Now, the Nile River has a super strong Yule tide, or whatever they say in Alabama. And, you know, it's just so long. The Nile River really does go on for Niles. And Niles, and Niles, and Niles. I'm legally obligated, Niles. And if you don't believe me, you might be in denial. Denial, very good. Now, this here is our African bull elephant. Now, fun fact about these elephants, they can actually run up to speeds of 33 miles per hour, making them the fastest animals in the jungle. Isn't that crazy? See? That was so fast. How do you do that? Okay, wait. I almost forgot. Do y'all want to meet my favorite celebrity? Yeah? Okay. It's The Rock. Yeah! Oh my, okay. I think a lot of you might be taking him for granted right about now. Please try to marvel at him, y'all. Now, here we are in the African belt where there is a wide range of animals. Yeah, ranging from over here to over there. Yeah. Oh, you see the tall things? Trees. Wow. This is sweet. Check this out. This is actually a retelling of the night before Christmas. Now, you know, it was the night before Christmas, and all through the pride, not a creature was stirring. Yeah, no, guys, he's not alive. Yeah. No, I mean, he's sleeping. Sleeping, yes, sleeping. Let's just let him rest. In peace, yeah. Okay, so this is something. That's Skipper Felix up there. Hey, Skipper Felix. I don't think that's how you decorate a Christmas tree, huh? But what do I know, right? Oh, and there's my friend Ina. Everybody say hi, Ina. Hi, Ina. She's too sweet, y'all. I know. Love you, girl. Bye, Ina. We love you. Everybody look over here. Yeah. That is absolutely nothing. Now look over here. That's something. Look at that. Oh my, check that out. That is Ginger and Mr. Frost. Now you gotta be careful because Mr. Frost does bite, and Ginger most definitely snaps. She really is a tough cookie, y'all. I'm not kidding. Now way up here at the front of the boat, this is the most beautiful thing you're gonna see in the jungle. And you're right, it's wonderful. Now we're gonna go over it later. Don't worry. Yeah, on the left. Look at that water. Looks kind of good, right? Yeah, there is about like 80,000 different types of jungle bacteria in that water. So if you start to itch, just let me know, okay? Might be serious. All right, now here at the world famous Jingle Cruise, we are offering half-off flights this holiday season. It's actually how I landed this job. Yeah, a bit of a crash course. It was super painful. Yeah, it's kind of the tail end of that story. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Oh, okay. I do have some really bad news for you guys. If you do happen to have your marbles on you today, go ahead, please put them away. Yeah, no, these are some hungry hippos. Yeah, I lost mine a long time ago. Be careful. Hey, fun fact about these hippos. They can actually run up to speeds of 33 miles per hour, making them the fastest animals in the jungle. Isn't that crazy? I know, it's kind of unsettling, right? Oh. Now, some people have said to me before, they said, Skipper Abby, your job is so easy. You know, I really feel like monkeys could do it. Now, I do have to say, that's kind of mean, so keep it to yourself. And you're so close. And those are chimpanzees, all right? And they're so smart, too. That one in the back there, we actually went to art school together. Yeah, you can tell he went to art school because he has that paintbrush, and he has that, like, look in his eyes, you know? Yeah, and you can tell I went to art school, too, because I work here. Oh, and my other friend from art school, this is Annette. Hi, Annette. Hi. She's quite a catch, isn't she? You know, Annette can actually run up to speeds of 33 miles per hour. Making her the fastest animal in the jungle. Isn't that crazy? I know. Kind of unsettling. Now, this is the moment you've all been waiting for. No, not the end of the ride. Get those cameras out. It's the mystical, the magical, the eighth wonder of the world, the Jack Ride of Water. Oh, to space. Oh, to space. Oh, to space. Oh, to... Hey, no, you don't like chemistry, though? Okay. That's okay. They're out of my element anyways. You know? You just don't see that every day. Yeah, you really don't, guys. But I really, really do. All right, we're going to move down the Mekong River, y'all. And oh, y'all see that? Oh, my goodness. Okay. Presents, that can only mean one thing. This super dark and super scary temple in front of us is obviously Santa's workshop. So keep your eyes open. My eyes are going to be closed. This is our Indian elephant baby pool. How sweet. Yeah, they're having a holiday pool party. Yeah. We're not invited though. We do have to leave. Oh, I know you hear that. That's Bertha. Hey, Bertha. And she sounds like she's in pain. She's totally fine. She's just really excited for y'all. She loves the holidays, and so she's excited for you to play her favorite game called Spray That Boat. Are you ready? Okay. Take it away, Squirt. Alrighty, guys. You might want to duck. Okay, duck, 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 goose. Oh, I'm a liar. Oh, I'm a liar. That one might. Yeah, and if you do get wet, please do not worry. Your clothes will soak it up. And we're coming towards the end of our journey, y'all. So before you go, I want to show you some beautiful plant life. So if we look up at the top of the jungle, there is a gorgeous flower up there called the hibiscus. Yeah. Oh, and at the bottom of the jungle? The lobiscus, obviously. Yeah, my favorite one's in the back though. It's kind of hard to see. That is actually none of hibiscus. Yeah, it's so beautiful this time of year. And of course, y'all, we do have a gift shop because I don't know if y'all quite know this, but we're a Disney ride. So yeah, of course we have our gift shop at the very end. And of course, it is ran by monkeys. I'm not too sure about that. Don't question it, you guys. Now, as we do approach the dock, y'all, please remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. Parents, keep keep on supervising your children, because if you don't, they could end up like me. I know, telling hazards on a boat. But seriously, y'all, it's been a treat. It's been a lot of fun. I think you've been outstanding on my boat, but now I do need you to be outstanding on the dock. Yeah, next to Skipper Trey. Hey, Skipper Trey. Did y'all know Skipper Trey can run up to speeds of 33 miles per hour, making him the fastest animal in the jungle? Isn't that crazy? Oh, man, y'all, that is what we like to call a running joke. Now, do me a huge favor. Make like Santa and leave my presents. Okay, bye.